today's video's topic is firstly welcome back to my channel. And topic is how to be productive or increase your productivity. But let's go with the basic first. Its meaning: getting your right thing or work done as you decide, plan in longer time, shorter time, really doesn't matter according to me. This is how you be productive. So first is make to-do list or plan, organize your things. Okay, so whatever you want to do, write it in any one book, make sequence, set a particular time for any task which you want to do. Even I have written all the things which I want to speak in this video in this book. The reason why you need to do this is because it will give you clear vision, you will be not confused, you will have clear idea like what you want to do, when you want to do, how you want to do. So second is to implement what you have planned or just written in your to-do list. It is, I think, the laziest part, but also very important. Unless and until you won't do that, whatever you have written on a page or a book is just waste then you need to do that. It's really very important, so go for it. So third is stop multitasking. Let's understand this by an example. What I used to do is I used to perform 3 tasks at a time, listening to songs, doing my school homework and watching favorite TV serial. My thinking was like, wow, it's great performing 3 tasks at a time, saving my time, and also so many tasks are being performed. But the thing is, if you do like this, your brain have to concentrate on 3 things at a time, and because of this your energy drains out very easily and fast. So it is really not a way to be a productive. It will decrease your productivity instead of increasing, so stop. So fourth is put on some music. Just imagine that you are not at all in the mood to study, but put on some music, just sit, take your book, whatever material it is, and go for it. By putting on your music, it will like put you in the zone, like where you will feel motivated and study. Like choose some instrumental or lo-fi hip-hop bits. You can go for that. On Spotify, so many playlists are available. Even on YouTube, so many videos are available. You can go there and just use them. Like at least you will do something. It's really better than nothing is better than something. So at least you will do something. Fifth is light up scented candles. So when you will light them, it will spread fragrance, it will give you positive vibes, it will put you in the zone where you want to work more and more. And I've tried this, like according to my personal experience, it really works. It increases your working hours, your capacity. So you can try it as I have tried, so that's why I'm telling you. If you don't, then optional. So next is drink a lot of water or coffee. Why? Because not always you will feel like working, not always you will be in that mood. There will be a day when you want to not work at all. Instead of doing that, just have a coffee or drink a lot of water. You can have coffee when you are feeling too much sleepy, but some people have habit of drinking coffee twice or thrice a day, which is not good because it contains caffeine. So it is not good. So I think you should prefer water, but if your sleep is not going away, then you can go with coffee and you can continue your work.